I want to talk to you about Cadillac hood hinges today. All right, so here's one off of somebody's 76 Cadillac DeVille. So he noticed he had a problem with the hood. Very common problem. The rivet came out. The rivet broke, okay, pulled out. It's 40-something years old. The arm kicked off this way. No damage was done to the car. Was taken off immediately and replaced. That's what you want to do. Unfortunately, it's not what everybody does. People try the quick fix. This guy elongated the hell out of every hole here, making this plate nice and weak, not reusable. And even after doing all this, he still had to have it replaced. Why? Because the hinges themselves, the rivets are worn out, are bad. There's no way around it. I'm sorry. There's no quick fix to this. The only quick fix is that we have these in stock for you. The second you need them, we can ship them out same day or next day. But please don't do this, because this is something that's not going to fix the car. You're going to continuously have a problem. Even if this adjustment does satisfy your issue, you know, with appearance-wise, what's going to happen is you're going to have catastrophic failure. What catastrophic failure looks like is this, okay? So people try to jury-rig these. It doesn't work, okay? The springs are too powerful. The hoods are too large. When they wear out, they wear out. This guy's hood actually went right into his fender as he was trying to close it, and then he was completely unable to close the hood, stuck where he was. And these are garbage. You know, we can maybe save this plate, but that's about it. But this is what catastrophic failure looks like. Arm broke, base is bent up. Obviously, he thought he can just take the rivets out, put nuts and bolts. Nope. Now he's got to pay the body shop thousands of dollars. Here's another example where a body shop decided he wanted to save the customer time and didn't want the car in the shop that long. So where the rivet came out, he decided to put a bolt in here and then weld it over here. But not realizing all the other rivets are the same age. They're all over 40 years old. They're all loose. Still having the same problem where the hood's kicking up a little bit in the back. Still has misalignment. And what the body shop did was he took the customer's money, put it in his pocket, and ruined a set of hinges, because this arm, we can't take this and grind this off. The heat probably distorted it, and it's never going to be the same. So we have the Cadillac hood hinges rebuilt in stock, ready to ship. Where you buy your classic Cadillac parts from matters.